I'm going to start by whipping 275 grams of Nestle until it turns into a very firm whipped cream. Now I'm going to fold in 185 grams of Alpino cream, and our Alpino mousse is ready to fill the cake. For this recipe, as the cake base, I used a chocolate sponge cake, which I've already shared here on the channel, the Blender sponge cake. The recipe is here in the description, and there's a link for you to watch that video. The only difference is that I added half a cup of cocoa powder and blended everything together. I baked it in a 21 centimeter pan and cut it into 3 layers. Now I'm going to moisten the base with 40 ml of milk. And I'm going to cover it with a portion of the Alpino mousse. If you want to make a smaller recipe or just one cake, there are substitution tips for these products in the description. I'm going to sprinkle pieces of chopped Alpino chocolate, chopped strawberries, and I'm going to repeat these layers one more time. In total, I used 80 grams of Alpino chocolate and 200 grams of chopped strawberries. Finally, I decorated with the rest of the Alpino mousse and sprinkled cocoa powder, and to decorate, some strawberries and a piece of chocolate. Guys, this cake tastes just as good as it looks. You have no idea how delicious it is.